Marhaban bikun. Welcome. Right. Now, we have learned how to define the noun and the adjective and how to achieve is like al-hasubu jadidun, al-hasubu al-jadidu khafifun. And of course you can use seri'un as well, which is fast. Remember, you have adjective seri'un, seri'un, fast, and feminine version is seri'atun. So seri'atun. So you can say the new light computer is fast. God, that's a long sentence. How do you do that? Let's start. Al-hasubu, start with the noun. Al-hasubu, al-hasubu al-jadidu. That's the new computer. Al-khafifu, that's mean light. Al-khafifu so far is the new light computer is, we drop the L and then we tell the news. Al-hasubu al-jadidu al-khafifu seri'un. So we have the new light computer is, because we drop the L here and the is automatically implied. Seri'un is light, is fast. So that's how the template will give you. Al-hasubu al-jadidu al-khafifu seri'un. You maintain the gender. If I want to say the same thing for the bike, I will say ad-darrajatu al-jadidatu al-khafifatu, and then seri'atun. So like this, ad-darrajatu al-jadidatu, maintain the gender. Al-khafifatu, khafifatu, then seri'atun, drop the L and get your A's implied. Seri'atun. So we are dropping the L so that we can imply the A's here, and all the way gender is maintained. Feminine, 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 masculine, 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 masculine. Okay, now that is said, let's now see another way to define a noun. You can define a noun in one of two ways: by using the article the, or attributing the noun to something possessive, like my. If I say, give me my computer, that's a specific. You have to give me my computer, not any computer. So we need to start learning how to say my. To say my in Arabic is very easy. Any noun, you do minor changes at the end and you achieve my. Is one of the easiest things to achieve. I give an example. For instance, if I say muallimun, a teacher that you know, muallimun. So I'm going to write muallimun, muallimun, a teacher. That's a male. Female teacher is your muallimatun, muallimatun. To say my in Arabic, the last letter of the noun, you remove the case ending, like an un, you remove it. For instance, you say mu'al, li, remove this un, replace it with kasra, E. Then extend it by using the ya to make it longer. The sound becomes muallimi. So the last letter of the noun that you know, put the kasra underneath it, extend it with lengthening ya, E ending, and that noun becomes my. Muallimatun, the same thing. The last letter here is your ta. You put the E sound and then extend it. For instance, you say mu'allima, mu'allima. That's your ta. Here, because we're going to add the lengthening ya, we open up this ta marbuta. It becomes normal and open ta, because we have to be able to attach or add this ya to it. So the ta marbuta, once you want to add anything after that, you open it up to becomes normal and open ta. So ta, put kasra on that underneath it, that's kasra, and extend it with lengthening ya, becomes muallimati, my female teacher. That is the principle, and that principle is very stable and firm. So muallimun, muallimi, muallimatun, muallimati. Let's now transfer that now to our favorite noun, computer and bike. Right, how to say now my computer? My computer, hasubun, becomes what? So we have hasubun, a computer. Hasubun becomes hasubi. So you put kasra there, extend it with your lengthening ya. Hasubi, my computer. Darajatun, a bike. Darajatun becomes daraja, then put T. That's your ta marbuta being transformed, become the lengthening, the open ta. Put kasra, extend it with your ya, which is lengthening ya. Darajati, my bike. So hasubun, hasubi, darajatun, darajati. Okay. Challenge now for you. How do I say my bike or my computer is new? We know how to say the computer is new. Al-hasubu jadidun. So al-hasubu jadidun. The computer is new. What about my computer is new? Same principle. Write my computer, which is hasubi. That's my computer is new, which means you mustn't put al here. You drop the al. Jadidun, male, jadidun. So that's mean my computer is new. Al-hasubu jadidun, hasubi jadidun. Go for the darajatun, for instance. Darajatun, you say ad-darajatu, ad-darajatu jadidatun. The bike is new. The bike is new. We drop the L and you get is. Drop the L, get is. Ad-darajatu jadidatun. Feminine, feminine. Darajati, my bike. Darajati jadidatun. my bike is new. دراجتي جديدة. My bike is new. ممتاز. Okay. What are we going to do then? If you want to say my new bike, for instance, my new bike, you know how to say my new computer, for instance. You can say الحاسوب الجديد. الحاسوب الجديد. The new computer. Okay, how do we say my new computer? We start with حاسوبي. حاسوبي, my computer. Now, because حاسوبي is defined, my computer, your adjective also must be defined. But you can only define an adjective by using article the, L. Whereas the noun can be defined either by the, al-hasubu, or by possessive, to say my, yours, his, whatever. But adjectives in Arabic, you can only define it when it's necessary by using L. So therefore, hasubi, my computer, because it's defined, to describe it, the direct description must carry L. So you say hasubi al-jadidu. Right, then you need to complete your sentence. So the new computer is, drop the al, get the is. Khafifun is light. Is khafifun. My new computer is light. Again, drop the al, get the is. Khafifun. 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 So that's the principle, which you really, I know it's quite a lot to absorb and to understand, but you just rewind your video, watch it again, practice it, experiment with it, and don't forget we are using the book. You need the book, which is the Key to Arabic book 2. That all is explained in that book as well, plus many exercises that will reinforce your knowledge. So الحاسوب الجديد الحاسوب الجديد خفيف حاسوب الجديد خفيف. Now I'm going to put, as usual, the chart on the board for you. That chart will give us the summary of what is being explained on the board for you. Right, now you have in front of you now the display of the summary of what we have covered. You have hasubi, my computer. You can see the ending, B, my. Hasubi jadidun, my computer is new, because the hasubi is defined. And jadidun, we drop the al, we achieve the is. So my computer is new. Hasubi jadidun. Hasubil jadidu, we define the al jadid with al, and that's not a complete phrase. My new computer is, so it's not a complete sentence. By completing that, we can say hasubil jadidu khafifun. We drop the al, we have khafifun, we achieve my new computer is light. Hasubil jadidul khafifu sari'un. Longer sentence to show you that you can add as many descriptions as you like before you complete your sentence, for as long as you drop the al and then you complete it as you wish. Hasubil jadidul khafifu, my new light computer is sari'un, is fast. Then the feminine now, darajati, my bike. Darajati, my bike. Darajati jadidatun. My bike is new. We drop the al, we have is embedded, implied. Jadidatun, the same gender as gender of the noun. Darajati jadidatun. My bike is new. Darajatil jadidatu, incomplete sentence. My new bike is what? Darajatil jadidatu khafifatun. My new bike is light. Again, to demonstrate, you can extend that sentence again. Darajatil jadidatul khafifatu seriyatun. My new light bike is fast. Look at the arrangement. Look at how we are manipulating the noun and the adjectives to achieve a complete sentence. And this is a verb-free sentence. What we are doing so far is a non-verbal sentences and phrases, but just manipulating the noun and the adjective. So use this one as well as your reading practice. Yeah, hasubi, hasubi jadidun, hasubil jadidu, hasubil jadidu khafifun, hasubil jadidul khafifu sari'un. Darajati, darajati jadidatun, darajatil jadidatu, darajatil jadidatu khafifatun. Darajatil jadidatul khafifatu sari'atun. Practice the reading and establish the principle and the template so that you can see how these nouns and adjectives are interacting with each other and producing a different shade of meaning and phrase and sentences.